Okay, it's just our valve seal installer set. So what you got a puller here, which is just going to clamp around the seal, clamp it down, work it off there and pop it off. And you got your drivers here. So what you're going to do there is take your seal driver, and it's convex down there, so you're not going to mangle the seal, putting it on. And your seal is just going to set down over top of it like that. And these are all different sizes here for whatever size valve guide you're running. Simple setup. And then you're going to pop that down on the head, tap the seal on there. That's it. Okay, what you got? You got a 5 millimeter, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 3/8, 10 millimeter and 12 millimeters, the biggest one. So pretty much anything you need. Now these, obviously the seal's just going to set down inside of there like that. So with these here, what you do is you actually put the valve in there. All right, with some of these, you'd want to use this end here, one of these big ones where the seal is going to sit down in there like that, instead of using the push through type. So you actually have, obviously I don't have this valve in the head, but you'd have the valve in the head. You use a plastic sleeve over this when you put the seal on. You're going to push it down over there like that, and then the driver's just going to sit over top of it, and then you're going to smack it down on the valve guide itself. Very simple. So big thing there, use they make these little plastic sleeves. They usually come in valve seal kit for some of them. Otherwise, you can just take a regular piece of cellophane or a little corner of a plastic baggie, slide it down over the top, grease it, and pop the seal down over top of it. Because what can happen with this valve guide, if you don't do that, when you push this seal over the valve, the keeper groove can actually cut the seal.